Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If your iPhone ear speaks is not working properly, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some quick and easy fixes to get your sound back up and running. Whether you are missing calls, notifications or music, we have got you covered. So let's dive in the video and solve this together. So to fix this problem, you have to go to your volume button and you have to click until the last, and you have to click on that until the all the up, and then scroll down, and here you have to toggle off Bluetooth. After off Bluetooth off, you have to go to the settings and scroll down, and you have to click on accessibility. Okay, and then scroll down, and here is hearing and compatibility. You have to click on that and toggle it on, and then go back, and you have to go to the settings and then click on accessibility, and you have to click on audio and visuals. Okay, click on that and scroll down. Here is, as you can see, balance is on the 0.60. You have to take it on the 0.0. Okay, yes, I have done it 0.00. And here is phone noise cancellation. You have to toggle it on and then click on okay. And here is mono audio. You have to toggle it on and then go back. Okay, go all the way back, and you have to restart your phone. Firstly, you have to restart your phone. After sliding to the right, you will be able to restart your phone and then cancel. Okay, after restart your phone, you will be able to fix your problem and your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please like and subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and family members. Thank you so much for watching this video.